In this video, I am going to show you how to change or customize any image in Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So to do this, open your Wix website editor. Now to change any image from your Wix website, just select the image and from the top just click on change image. Now you can choose free Wix images or you can upload your own custom image from your computer. I am going to select this image and then click on choose image. And as you can see that our image is now changed. Now let's see how we can customize any image. Now at first we have the settings for the image. We can add a link to the image and also we can add image text to it. After that we have design. You can add frames to your image. And then you can use this tool to crop the image. And after that we have an edit image option. So if I click on it, and here we have a lot of options for the image. We can crop and resize, enhance or color grade our images from here. And after that we can also add elements to our image. Like if you want to add a text to your image, just select text from here, drag a text to your image, and now you can edit it according to your own choice. After that you can add decorative elements to your image. You can add overlays to your image, and also you can add a background to your image. So this is how you can change or customize any image in Wix. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.